Welcome to the jungle. We're here at Kokoon Pueblo 2 in Region 15, Tulum. I'm going to show you a penthouse apartment with a private rooftop, a pool, and everything you need to call it home. Please feel free to reach out, give me a call, or send me a message, and I look forward to talking to you about this property or any others in Tulum.